Hello, my name is Maxwell Johnson, and today I will be presenting on the difference between RNA and DNA. So I'm going to get started by covering some similarities, because I think understanding the similarities is important before we get into the differences. So both DNA and RNA are contained in the nucleus at one point, although DNA primarily exists there, whereas RNA is only there when it's getting transported out of the nucleus. Both are genetic material. Uh, Both have nucleotides and a phosphate sugar backbone. Both use adenine, cytosine, and guanine, and both utilize complementary base pairing. So A to C, A to T or A to U and C to G, both play a role with replication, transcription, and translation. Both DNA and RNA are incredibly important for the processes of replication, transcription, and translation of genetic material. So I'm going to cover each difference individually, starting off with difference 1, sugars. So DNA uses deoxyribose while RNA uses ribose. Deoxyribose has a lone oxygen right here. I'm not sure if my mouse is working. And Ribose has an alcohol group. So where deoxyribose has that hydrogen, ribose instead has an alcohol group. The second difference is the nitrogenous bases. So DNA uses thymine as a nitrogenous base, while RNA uses uracil. So you can kind of see the difference right here. Thymine in DNA has this methyl group off to the side, while uracil in RNA does not have that methyl group. So in RNA, uracil just acts to replace thymine as a base. So A to T, with the kind of pairing, it's A to T in DNA and A to U in RNA. So they just kind of exchange out. Difference 3 is the role. So DNA stores genetic information, while RNA helps translate DNA into protein. Where DNA serves as a reactant, RNA acts as an intermediate form between DNA and proteins. Another way to think about that is when you're looking at protein, DNA is a precursor, and RNA is kind of that stepping stone between DNA and getting to protein. The fourth difference is location. So DNA occurs in the nucleus and inside mitochondria, while RNA can be found in the nucleus and cytoplasm. So they both do exist, as you can see, DNA and RNA right here. At one point, they do exist in the nucleus. However, DNA only occurs in the nucleus and in mitochondria. This model doesn't show it, but RNA can be found in the cytoplasm, which is a difference. Difference 5 is length. So DNA is incredibly long. It varies a lot depending on the chromosome, but it can be up to a few million nucleotides for a chromosome, whereas RNA is significantly shorter, with a range of 70 nucleotides to tens of thousands of nucleotides for a strand of RNA versus DNA. So very, very large difference in terms of length. Here are my sources cited. I mainly use chapter 10 through 12, although there was some bouncing around to previous chapters and chapters after that. But all the information did come from the slides. And yeah, thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed the presentation.